Duke. What? What are you doing? Can I sit next to little Duke? Sorry. Not my fault you're nervous, okay? Duke? Oh, baby. Oh, look at the wookie. Oh, look at how cute. Look at, yay, Duke, yay. This is your tummy. I don't want to be down there. It's kind of gross. Duke. Oh, don't fall. You okay? Yes, don't boy, boo. Duke. Christina, he's doing it again. Trying to climb up. Ah!